Let's start the program. Japanese Trader Radio Part.051. Today is March 15, 2026, Sunday, by Gibson Craft. 1 FX, 11 surveillance, 111 price movement, 111 this week's beat price of the target currency pair, pound dollar, from 1.332 to 1.326. After a period of consolidation, a downtrend began. 112 this week's bid price movement of all currency pairs. Dollar yen plus 190 pips. Euro yen plus 10 pips. Pound yen minus 40 pips. Euro dollar minus 200 pips. Pound dollar minus 190 pips. Euro pound minus 30 pips. 112 economic indicators. 121 this week's economic indicators. 11th Wednesday 2130 the US core inflation rate YY. The actual is 2.5%. 13th Friday 16 the UK GDP MOM. The actual is 0%. 13th Friday 2130 the US core PC price index MOM. The actual is 0.4%. 1122 next week's economic indicators. 19th Thursday 3 the US Fed interest rate decision. Previous 3.75%. Forecast 3.75%. 19th Thursday 12 Japan BOJ interest rate decision. Previous 0.75%, forecast 0.75%. 19th Thursday 21 the UK BOE interest rate decision. Previous 3.75%, forecast 3.75%. 19th Thursday 22 15 EU ECB interest rate decision. Previous 2.15%, forecast 2.15%. 113 this week's news and events that don't seem to factor in. Central bank policy interest rate and situation in Iran. 114 next week's FX trading strategy and tactics. Given the current tense international situation, currency intervention is difficult. Buying the dollar against the yen is considered a good move. 1-2 order, number 10 new order. Pound dollar, sell, Iranian war, downtrend on the daily chart. New order 1.33513. Stop order 1.339. Limit order 1.326. Looking at only the short-term chart, it appears that the price will continue to move higher. But if I check the direction on the long-term chart, I can see that the rise on the short-term chart is a correction. Number 10 verification. The pattern of the market gradually rising while alternating between large white candles and large black candles should have been recognized as a sign that the lower limit was firm and that it was time to buy. Chart analysis should not be biased by fundamental analysis, which is difficult to predict. In FX, I believe it is better to place more emphasis on technical analysis, which assumes that the charts incorporate everything. 2 stock to 1 surveillance to 1 会社指標 surveillance 5241 Japan OA Research Institute. The stock price is rising rapidly. I think it's best to avoid buying it now. 5578 AR Advanced Technology Incorporated. Regarding the financial results presentation, I can see that the company has an excellent organization and abundant human resources. It's approaching its goal of a 30% gross profit margin, is actively hiring, and is pursuing M&A. All of this is in the document market and is not affected by unstable overseas situation. It's currently undergoing a correction following the death of SARS, so this could be a good time to buy. 5726 Osaka Titanium Technologies. Targeted at U.S. aircraft manufacturers, demand is unpredictable. There is a great deal of uncertainty about the U.S. economy. I believe that acquiring knowledge about titanium destruction is essential for buying this stock. 212 Holding Brand Surveillance 485A PowerX this Tuesday 4,400. 402A Axel Space Holding this Tuesday 625. 6027 弁護士.com this Tuesday 2,837. To do inspection before buying order 5578 AR Advanced Technology Incorporated. I want to consider buying based on fundamental evidence while avoiding being caught up in the overall decline in the stock market. 2-3 order selling or March 10th. Oil prices soared due to concerns about the escalation of the Iranian war. Japanese stocks experienced the third biggest price drop in history, as the assumption of a price rise for all stocks became uncertain. All stocks were sold. 3 others. 3-1 feasible schedule. I simplified the daily tasks. I will definitely proceed while balancing it with my life. Thank you for listening. Bye.